Not quite a recipe, but super adorable. Chocolate Christmas trees. These are especially great with children as they can decorate their little trees to their heart's content. First of all, we need to melt some white chocolate. If you already have green candy melts, those work just as good and you don't have to dye them. But I like tinkering with my own colors as long as it's not red. I just have some bad experience with red for whatever reason. So here you see me adding quite a bit of green food coloring and mix that quite thoroughly. Be careful that you get food colors for chocolate or oil-based. If you have anything else, the chocolate may seize up. Yes, sadly, I speak of experience. When you're happy with the color, get a small piping bag or a small plastic bag and fill the chocolate with it. I had readied my chocolate pretzels on some baking paper so that it won't end up in a mess. As the chocolate will set pretty fast, we got all the decorations ready as well. Then you just spread the chocolate to the shape of the trees you want. If you want to have them perfect, you can of course make a template and put that beneath the baking paper, but I like them to look different and more natural if you like. Before the chocolate sets, I spread all the decorations we need or want. I really like the golden sprinkles that look like miniature Christmas balls to me. Once they're set, well, it's done. I know it was more like a DIY than a real recipe, but just as fun. Of course, you could add any other color of chocolate for decorative purposes. Getting creative is really up to you. This was day 8 of our Tasty Escapes Advent Calendar. Subscribe if you don't want to miss our next video. See you for day number 9 tomorrow.